Welcome to yet another episode of our Rolls Royce series. You're watching Supercars Drive. Today we're going to talk about the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Before going to the details, please subscribe our channel and you don't need to click the notification bell because all the notifications will be dumped into the notification banner in the YouTube home screen. Do you know which is the world's most expensive SUV? It is none other than the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Cullinan is the world's largest diamond. Hence, the most expensive SUV is named after this, the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Cullinan has a length of 5,341 mm, width of 2,000 mm, and a height of 1,835 mm. Like every other Rolls-Royce, Cullinan too has a spirit of ecstasy. Cullinan has a wheelbase of 3,295 mm and a boot space of 560 liters. You can find camping chairs in the boot of the Cullinan black batch, and it will cost you about $8,769. Let's now get into the car. Like every other Rolls-Royce, this also has an umbrella. If you want to customize it, you have to pay just $700. Cullinan has a leather steering wheel. It has a digital speedometer but looks like an analog one. We can see a clock in the dashboard. Like every other Rolls-Royce, you can get a climate controller in the middle. You can get a 2-seater configuration or a 3-seat configuration in the back. When we press the left button in the back of the front seat, the wooden panel comes out. When we press the right button, the 12-inch screen comes out. Head cushions are available with the Rolls-Royce logo on it. Like every other Rolls-Royce, this too has a starlit roof. If we wait for some more time, we can even see a shooting star. Cullinan starts from $325,000